In this video, we will learn how to install the current Python version on Windows 10. With that, we will also run a sample Python program. Let us start. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type Python and hit enter. On hitting enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website python.org. Directly go to the downloads menu, and after keeping the mouse cursor, the current version is visible. For the installer file, you need to click here. After clicking, the download will start. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Here select use admin privileges and add Python to path. After that, click customize installation. Optional features are visible. It will install pip, which is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. It will also install idle, which is an IDE to run Python programs. Click next. Advanced options are visible. Click install Python for all users. Python will get installed in the following location. Not a problem. Click install. Python will now get installed. Let's wait. We have successfully installed Python. Click close. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start. Type cmd. Click open. Type the command python -- version and hit enter. This shows that we successfully installed Python. Let us run our first Python program. I hope you remember we installed IDLE. So just type Python and IDLE is visible. Click open. Let us run our first program. Here I'll print something using the print method in Python. So whatever I'll add inside this will get displayed as an output. I'll write my name, hit enter, and now we have printed our first program in Python. To save it, go to File, click Save As. Let's say we will save it on the desktop. Here select Python files and let's say I'll give the name demo. Now it will get saved as demo.py because we have selected Python files. Click Save. So here is our file. For a free 6-hour Python tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also added free notes. Thank you for watching.